Hello beauty queens, AyuQuinn here. Today I'm going to tell you one of my favorite ice cube treatments. It's mint ice cube treatment. Mint ice cube treatment can soothe pimples, sunburns and skin inflammation. It can brighten your complexion by controlling blood circulation around the face. Also, mint ice cube treatments can relieve puffy eyes. It can give you instant relief. Mint ice cubes can also prevent wrinkles by tightening the skin. Click on the subscribe button to see more natural beauty videos from AyuQuinn. Let's start. For this we need mint leaves, water, a strainer, ice cube tray or any mold you like. Take some mint leaves and put them into a blender cup and add some water. Blend this for 2 minutes. Now strain the mint juice into a container. Now it's ready. Take the ice cube tray and put the juice into it and freeze it for 6 hours until it freezes. Mint ice cubes has refreshing and soothing effects on the skin which helps to hydrate the skin and treats acne. Also, mint ice cubes help to balance your skin tone. After 6 hours, you can remove the cubes from the tray. Now take one ice cube and rub it all over the face in the morning. Repeat this for 1 week and then you will experience acne-free glowing face. It's super easy, so you must try this at home. See you beauty queens in the next video. Bye bye.